Problem 13. A palindrome is a number that has the same value when read from left to right or from right to left. Let n be the least three-digit integer, which is not a palindrome, but which is the sum of three distinct two-digit palindromes. What is the sum of the digits of n? So first, try to understand to yourself, what is a two-digit palindrome? Well, what is 23? That's obviously not a palindrome. What about like, I don't know, 54? That's not a palindrome either. So just from a few examples, you can see that, oh, two-digit palindromes must be two of the same numbers. So with this established, let's say I'm summing x and x with y and y with z and z. Right? And if I were to express this in numerical notation, that's the same thing as 10x plus 10y plus y and 10z plus z. And this must be equal to some three-digit integer that we do not know. But three-digit integers, remember, range from 100 to 999. That's a three-digit number. But first, let's try to simplify the left side. That's 10 of x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus z. Since we have a common factor of x plus y plus z, we can factor that out to get x plus y plus z times 10 plus 1. So that's the same thing as 11, which is equal to some number. In other words, x plus y plus z must be equal to some number n divided by 11. And it must be evenly divisible because, remember, x plus y plus z are integers, after all, because they represent digits in a two-digit number. So we're trying to find the sum of digits of n, so we must find what this n is. But we also know one special thing about n. N is the smallest number that is not a palindrome. So in other words, n must be 11 times n divided by n, divided by 11, where this n is a constant, like 1, 2, 3, and when multiplied together, it must not only satisfy to be a three-digit number, but it also must not be a palindrome. So first of all, 11 times what number would give me a three-digit number? Well, if I multiply by 9, I get 99. So it must be 1 greater, so 11 times 10, which is equal to 110. We are trying to minimize this multiplication product. So we want to minimize the number that we multiply 11 with. Since 10 is the smallest number that when multiplied with 11 gives me a non-palindrome number, n must be equal, or this should be m. I'll call this m. Okay, so m, right, m must be equal to 10. In other words, n would be equal to 11 times 10, which is equal to 110. And that would check out, so therefore what is 1 plus 1 plus 0? Well, that's equal to 2, bringing you to answer choice A.